back from the dead.
I really just want to enforce the safety of this because this is a very potentially dangerous project. And I understand the risks, and I'm taking those risks in order to entertain you in this video. If any of you guys try the stuff in this video, that's entirely at your own risk. And yeah, don't try this at home. Okay, in this video, I'm going to be going over the build for my mini DIY flamethrower. Okay, so this build has two main components. You have, number one, this secondary fuel tank, which is exactly the one right here. That's going to be used to get most of your fire. The number two component you need is a main pilot lighter, which will ignite the fuel coming out of this fuel tank. That, combined with some hot glue and some duct tape, is pretty much all you need to do this build. Some more in this fuel tank. So this is a fuel tank taken out of a refillable grill lighter, like this one right here. It doesn't really matter what type of lighter like this you use, as long as it's refillable. It'll have a little spot right here at the end that you can refill it, and you can see that on this one right there. So you get this fuel tank here, and the most important thing that you do with this fuel tank is you see this little white turn thing here. This is what adjusts how fast the fuel comes out. So you want to adjust this until it's as far out as it can go without letting the fuel leak out. And that's what's going to let you have the really big flame that you need for this project. And this here is just a Bic lighter. In the original build, I used what's called a crocodile lighter that I just got at a dollar store, and it works really well because it just fits in your hand well and lights easily and works really well. But if you only have a lighter like this, this will work, so you'll just use it like this. And that's basically that for this. You may also want to use a little tube like this to put on top of this lighter just for better protection from the heat from the flame. And it's just off of the end of one of the grill lighters. Okay, so let's get this thing built. Okay, so the only thing left to do now is fill it up with fuel, and I already did that, so that's good. And now I just need to tie a little string around here to put around my finger so I can trigger it with one hand, and then we can go test it out. Okay, so this is put together, and now we get fire. Okay, now I'm gonna show you me burning some stuff here. So first, paper. Okay, next thing I'm gonna be burning, my cameraman! Disclaimer, no cameramen were hurt in the making of this video. All jokes aside, be very careful and do not try and hurt anybody with this. It was just for entertainment. Okay, now I'm going to do some clips of me using the flamethrower. Okay, thank you for watching today's video. If you like what you saw, please consider dropping a like or subscribing. It really helps out the channel. Anything you do. That's all for today. Goodbye.